Welcome to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today I finished up a 2022 KTM 350XCF WP linkage shock Revalve. This was set up to our JBI Flowy single track spec. It is headed out to Tennessee. They got a unique type of terrain out there with their trees, rocks, roots, and this is the forest and type of dirt that they have for riding. So this was set up specifically for that. The JBI suspension WP bladder kit was also upgraded to this shock. This customer is going to go ahead and they purchased the JBI suspension WP AER Pro 48 kit. They're going to install this themselves. So what they did is they shipped in their shock beforehand so we can revalve that for them. And we're going to turn ship their shock with the DIY kit so they can install that on their own once it all comes back. All JBI suspension parts and services are available at ridejbi.com. Thank you for watching.